Okay, hi, how are you doing?
All good. What about you?
I'm good too. So, where are you from and what do you do?
I am from Agra. Actually, my hometown is Agra, but working in a Delhi in a media organization.
Okay, so right now you're settled in Delhi?
No, no. Right now I'm in Agra. Actually,
Oh,
work from home is going on.
okay,
So yeah,
okay, that's great. And how many sessions are you done with till now?
I think 40 session.
Okay, that's great. And how have they been, your previous
Uh,
sessions?
Actually, I took a break after 30 sessions. So I
Okay,
recently resume my session. So it's a second session with you.
okay, that's great. So, what with what view did you come to this app initially when you started before all of those 40 sessions? How did you see your English speaking skills as?
After joining that application or
No,
before.
before joining the application.
Before that, actually, I was hesitant to communicate with anyone else.
Hmm.
Uh, so after taking these sessions, I feel little confident
Okay.
and
So you do
also
feel that you have
enhance,
improved?
yeah, and also enhance some vocabularies as well.
Okay.
Uh, though I am in a process to learn more, and gradually I am improving.
Okay, yeah. So tell me something more about yourself. What are your interests? What do you like to do when you're free?
In free time, I took my work on my website. Actually, I am working with a news channel, a news website, news portal. So
Okay.
I invest some time on that, and 9 hours is my office timing. So in my like I'm doing a work from home, so there's no timing. So
Mhm.
I
Right.
have
So,
I have to
uh,
do something
yeah.
10 or 11 hours.
Okay, okay. So, do you like whenever, if at all you get time over weekends and everything, do you like to read or move out of your house, travel? Do you like traveling or reading or anything like that?
Uh, Actually, I'm not interested in reading, but yeah, I have started to read to improve. Like lots of people suggest me that start learning or reading to enhance your
Right.
vocabulary, and so yeah, I have started there.
Okay, that's great. That's true. I mean, we also out here, we suggest the biggest advice that we give to our learners out here is to read a lot because reading will help you build a good vocabulary, and with a
Right,
good vocabulary base, you can speak more confidently, right? So,
and also
yes,
we want to know what is the current exact structure to say the word,
yes,
sentences and all.
exactly. Exactly. The sentence formations are more clear when we start reading, right? So yes, whenever you get time, do read. That would be a suggestion from me as well. Right now around us there are many ways in which we can make money, right? There are
Right,
people have so initially only one income source was preferred all the time. People used to focus on one income source all the time, but now
right,
people have multiple income sources. They have passive income, they have active income, like they have
right.
the one major source of income, and then they have other small sources of income, right? So
Yes.
what, according to you, is the fastest way of making money?
I think there are lots of way to make money fast, but these ways are not a what can I say permanent, or it's like a someone can earn money with the trading and all,
Hmm.
or but it is a risky actually. Some someday you can earn, but on other day you can lose as well.
Right. True. True. That's true. Trading is very risky. Have you ever tried trading or investing
Yeah, I
anywhere?
have tried some times and I lost lots of money.
Okay. So
So I
you
stopped
haven't
that.
continued. Okay.
No, no. So I take oath that I will never spend money in that market.
Okay, okay. So maybe, because there are a lot of people who are getting into stock trading right now. So maybe with a bit of more knowledge and a course probably will
Yeah,
help you.
actually, knowledge is must to invest in any market or any stock
Yes,
market. So
right.
first you have to develop your skills to invest in market.
Yes, exactly. True. And you have, so, there are a lot of methods. One, as you mentioned, is trading. And a lot of people have started YouTube channels nowadays. So social
Yeah,
media
so
is also,
these are the permanent source. If you are working on that, they will definitely get the result. But lots of people just started their YouTube channel or any portal, and they give 100% only for few days, like 1 month, 2 month, or
yeah.
6 months.
Yeah, were you saying something? I think it got disconnected while you were saying
I
something.
was saying that if someone is working on that YouTube channel or any portal, and they have been working continuously, or they work for a long time, then they will
Hmm.
definitely get the result, and they are earning pretty good actually.
True, true, true. And I feel that a lot of people can't be consistent. So when you open a social media account or YouTube account as a source of income with a view to earning something from that, a lot of people are not able to be consistent in that because in those mediums, the money doesn't come in fast. It's not
Yes.
instant money. So you need a lot of subscribers. You need to build your channel. So yes, I think people find that
They got inspired with someone else, like he is
yes,
earning lots of money, and they started
yes,
their YouTube channel and their any like social influencer and like all. And then after few months or few days, they got what can I say, they don't do
yes,
continuously
they
or
don't continue it.
yeah.
Right, right, right. So what do you think that money can be earned only by working hard, or can you even earn easy money? Is earning money easy? Are there easy ways, or do you have to work hard?
Earning money is easy, but if you focus on earning money, that will be difficult. But if you try to help someone with your skills, then it would be easy to earn money actually. So like if you have interest to communicate or to help people, then you can earn money by starting your YouTube channel or what, like you are doing right now. But if I
Yes,
focus on earning money only, then it will be difficult. I am doing
true.
something that is not in my passion. It is not my passion, or I am doing it without my what can I say? It's not a hobby or a passion at all.
You lagged a bit again, so which is why I'm trying to figure out the end part that you said. But I got what you were trying to say.
Yeah.
Yes, I realized what you were trying to. But actually, the ending got really lagged. That's why my response was delayed. Okay, so so a lot of people are now investing in their 20s, right? They have started investing even when they're like 18. So
Right.
do you think that if you get a chance to do that, if you go get to travel back to your teenage, probably, right? Would
Right.
you want to start investing, and would you want yourself to have that exposure to the financial world more?
Right. I think I should have invested when I was 20 or 21. So, like, I would have had a good amount of money right now to invest or to purchase anything. But
Right.
unfortunately, I don't didn't do that. So, I think it's a good idea to invest in that in its teenage. And that time we have to cut down our expenditure
Expenditure.
and or save lots of money actually that time, so that
True.
we can invest or we can enjoy our life right now.
Right, right. That's true. That's true. So, we have a few minutes left for the session to end. We can continue this conversation, or I can give you a feedback. It's your choice.
Yeah,
So,
you can give a feedback so I can improve accordingly.
Right. So from the conversation we had right now, even though there were a few network issues,
Yeah,
I can give you a feedback. So I realized that you are good at expressing your views and opinions and speaking generally in English. But sometimes there are these moments where you get stuck, like where you can't recall a certain word. That word
right.
doesn't come directly into your mind while speaking. So you need to take a break and think of that word. So I feel that's because of the fluency that you haven't achieved yet. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
you are a good communicator, you can express your views and everything very well, but I feel you should, like a lot of people suggested you, I really feel you should start reading more, because the lack of those words is because you're not used to those words a lot. You're
yeah,
not
yes,
using those words a lot in your daily language. You don't have that practice. So, of course, Clappingo is here to, help you get that practice, to, help you get that spoken English practice. But then I feel like on your part, you should also start reading a lot
right.
more.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'll do
so
that.
that will definitely improve your vocabulary, and that will definitely, like, the only problem you're having is that lack of words that you're finding, that
Yes,
certain,
yes,
it might be the case that you know a word but you're not able to
yes,
apply that right to the exact sentence that you want. So I feel like reading more will definitely help you, so I'd really suggest you to read books. Start with some small novels, don't go to some, something that would not
yes.
get your interest. So there are
Okay,
a lot of types of books out there, so choose your interest and just go ahead with it. Okay.
okay, I'll do that.
Yeah, so if you don't have any other questions, we can wrap up the session.
Could I know something about you, like any intro
Yes,
about you?
yes, sure. I am Arya, me,
Yeah.
and I'm from Mumbai. I am a third year student of BA. I'm doing economics.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since
Okay.
when you are taking classes on the Clappingo?
It's been 1 year now.
1 year.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a long time actually. But I came to know your session or your name yesterday only.
Okay, okay. I'm not very consistent with taking sessions because I have my exams coming up and everything. So, whenever I have my exam months, I don't really take session a lot. But whenever I
Okay.
get time, I try my best to take the sessions.
Okay. So there is
Yeah.
any criteria like if you are not continued taking classes, so Clappingo is not giving you uh, chance to
No,
take class,
it's based on the like on the timings we put in. So how much ever sessions we want to take, we can do that.
and you also can take a break for 1 year or 2 year, whatever you want.
No, that cannot happen. You'll have to inform the